Welcome to our channel, where we explore different ways to improve our health and well-being. Today, we'll be discussing a practice that has been around for centuries and is becoming increasingly popular: yoga. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 8 amazing benefits of yoga and why it should be a part of your daily routine. Reduces stress and anxiety. Yoga has been proven to reduce cortisol levels in the body, which helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Practicing yoga regularly can help to calm the mind and promote relaxation. Improves flexibility and balance. One of the most obvious benefits of yoga is improved flexibility and balance. The poses and stretches involved in yoga help to increase the range of motion in your joints and improve your overall balance. Strengthens muscles. Yoga is a great way to build strength in your muscles, especially in your core, arms, and legs. The different poses require you to hold your own body weight, which can be a great workout for your muscles. Boosts immunity. Practicing yoga regularly can also help to boost your immune system. The breathing techniques involved in yoga help to improve circulation and increase oxygen flow to your organs, which helps to strengthen your immune system. Enhances mental clarity. Yoga can also improve your mental clarity and focus. The practice involves focusing on your breath and being present in the moment, which can help to calm your mind and improve your concentration. Lowers blood pressure. Yoga has been shown to lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. The practice can help to improve circulation and reduce stress, which can have a positive impact on your blood pressure levels. Aids in digestion. Certain yoga poses can help to stimulate digestion and relieve constipation. Twisting poses, in particular, can help to massage your internal organs and improve your digestion. Promotes better sleep. Finally, practicing yoga regularly can help to promote better sleep. The practice can help to calm your mind and promote relaxation, which can make it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. There you have it, 8 amazing benefits of yoga and why it should be a part of your daily routine. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve your flexibility, or boost your immune system, there's no denying the positive impact that yoga can have on your overall health and well-being. So, why not give it a try? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.